twisted up in the tree. Oh my god, it messed up those blinds bad. The blinds are all split up. Messed up their car.
Dang.
Look at that car, Dad. Screwed up.
What car? That one? Yeah.
What did it do, that truck? Oh my god. Nice truck too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Dad, it stuck a stick. Stuck a stick into it. Spray paint bottle.
A stick into a spray paint bottle?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Sometimes tornadoes are so strong that it can stick a toothpick in a brick.
That metal.
Huh?
Get the metal stuck in all the trees. God, it's devastating.
Look at that truck. That was nice.
Tornadoes are crazy. Look at how it ripped that tree in.
Look at the house, Dad. Oh my god.
I know.
If we want to make a freaking high five here, yeah, if we would.
Shelter insurance is here. I'd just give them their money. It's a total loss. You know?
Yeah. You should look at the blinds. Look at those. How did they not rip those blinds out?
I don't know, buddy.
See those blinds? All the blinds stayed. God dang, I don't know how that didn't. Oh my god. Look, all the blinds stayed in.
Uh-huh.
And this wasn't even that bad of a tornado.
Yeah, it was. It was an F4.
Is that real bad?
They only go up to an F5. It's almost as bad as it gets.
Look at that basketball goal. God, that house didn't get ripped up that bad.
Neither did that one.
That one
The
didn't.
tornado mainly went through back there.
That one's still good. You could still live in that one.
Yeah. I'd live there. What are the chances of another one coming through right here?